Hello, good evening, friends. Today I'm going to solve one problem that is asked by my student and based on the neutralization reaction. So, what they are saying that is zero point 0.2 liter of ammonia at 20 degrees Celsius and 2 atmospheric pressure is neutralized by 160 ml of sulfuric acid. Find the normality of sulfuric acid. Dear friend, to solve this type of problem, okay. So, let us, what is given is student, firstly you write what are the given things. If you want to write the given thing student, you will find that is volume is 0.2 liter volume is given. So that is the volume is given how much student, volume of ammonia is 0.2 liter. Pressure is given student 2 atm, and what temperature is given student 27 degrees Celsius. So what we are doing, we are putting in the Kelvin. So 27 plus 273. So it is coming how much student, 300 Kelvin. Next one is student, what is the R value we know. Okay, so R value is 0.0821, 0.0821. From this equation you apply the ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT to get the number of mole, because in this question number of mole is not given. Okay, rest of information is given, and this information is given to calculate the number of moles only. So how to calculate number of moles? N is equal to, you can say student, PV upon RT, PV upon RT. So P is how much student, 2, B is equal to 0.2, R value is given student 0.0821, and T value is also given student 300 Kelvin. Now when you solve student this, your N value you are getting how much, 0.0162. This is number of mole of ammonia, moles of ammonia. Okay student, now student, they are saying that is we have to how many moles of sulfuric acid required to neutralize. Okay, so this many of given means 0.062 normal N is given. So we can apply that is N1 B1 is equal to what student, N2 B2. This is very simply what I am doing is student, I am putting this side, okay, opposite direction, because the space is less due to a small board. So what I am doing here, this side you see student, we can write for neutralization reaction, what we can write is student, N1 V1 for NH3, okay, is equal to what we can apply student, N2 V2, N2 B2. When you are applying N2 V2 student and they are asking normality, N2 they are asking, okay, the normality of sulfuric acid. What are information given student? See, N1 if you want to write the N1 student, so already we have calculated number of moles, how much you calculated student, 0.0162, 0.0162. Of this one student, normality is equal to what student, small n into, okay, small n is equal to what is there student, molarity. When you are talking about small n, so n factor for ammonia is 1 student, and molarity, if you talk about molarity, so number of mole per liter of volume, so how much, 0.0162, and volume is volume in liter. Dear friend, here I think my student is getting problem here. Okay, this case, in this step you may be facing the problem. So N1 when you are going friend, what we can write, N1, so this one, okay, 1 into, because N factor for ammonia is 1, okay, NH3, because it's take 1 H plus ion and get convert into the NH4 plus. So N factor for ammonia is how much friend, this is 1. So 1 into 0.0162 divided by what student, this is the B1, okay, volume in liter, and B1 from the formula also we will write, B1 from the formula, equal to, they are saying 160 ml, and volume in what student, this is the liter. So N2 they are asking, dear friend, and V2 they have said 160 ml is given and we are dividing by 1000. So we will be able to get into liter. Now student, do the calculation portion. How we are doing the calculation for portion here student. Okay, please keep watching student, you will be able to understand. This is not the tough problem. Okay, now normality, if you talk about the volume, this volume and this volume is cancel out student. So what is there student, if you want to hear 0.0162 and this 1000 will go that side, multiply by 1000 divided by 160 equal to what it will come student, this is N2. Up here when you are dividing student, this is 1010, simply you cancel out student, so 20 are there. So how much will come student, 1.62 upon how much will coming student, 16, 1.62. okay, 20 is there, and 2 what is coming student, this is N2, or student 0.01630. okay, leave it student, don't cut the decimal point. So what you are going to get student here is, there is the 16 student, here is 16, so 0.016, this is normality, volume in liter. Okay, V1. So N2 you are getting student, okay, leave it out. Simply you do this very simplistic way student. What the simplistic way, 160 ml is there, so you divide by this. Okay, so you will get that is 0.16, better you will get that is 0.16. so N2 is equal to what is coming student, here maybe the calculation problem, 0.0162 and divided by what, 0.160. so how much will coming student, even though that way also if you are doing, you are getting how much, it will come 0.1 normal. Okay student, so N2 is equal to normality of sulfuric acid, and sulfuric acid directly I am writing the formula, what is student, H2SO4. so how much you are getting, 0.1 normal. Dear friend, here is 0.1 normal, so here if you are going to option number is D is correct. Dear student, here little bit confusion I am getting, but the calculation you can do. So volume in liter, so if you divide by 1000, so what will come student, 0.0162, V1 this VVV cancel out equal to N2 into 160 upon 1000. Dear friend, what if you are writing N2 is equal to how much will come student, 0.0162 upon 1000 divided by 160. If you talk about student 1010 cancel out, so with 20 decimal will shift here, so how much will come student, 1.62 upon 16. so how much will come student, 0.1. so 0.1 normal. So normality is equal to 0.1 normal. This is our correct answer. Thank you so much for watching friends.